Let's take a look at some of the new features in this release. We added a few options to make it easier to sort and search the recent drawings list. I can sort by name or by last opened. And I can reverse the sort order by clicking the arrow next to the drop-down list. I'll switch to the list view and hover over the last opened column. Clicking on the column changes the sort order, and the arrow indicates the direction of the sort. In either thumbnail view or list view, start typing any portion of a file name or path in the search box to filter the drawing file list. Pin a drawing by hovering over the thumbnail and clicking on the pin icon. This pins the drawing to the top of the recent drawings list. Click the vertical ellipsis to display the Open menu, or right-click anywhere on the thumbnail. The Autodesk Docs tab has been renamed to Autodesk Projects. Navigation and performance for your Autodesk projects has been improved. We added two new menus, File tab, replacing the Overflow menu, and the Layout tab. These menus offer a more convenient way to access the options that are also available on the context menus. Autocad LT can now assist you placing blocks. For example, I'll insert another instance of this desk. As I drag the block closer to its position, the walls highlight. The block adjusts to match the other block instances in the drawing. Holding down Shift plus W or Shift plus open bracket disables placement suggestions while dragging the block. Pressing Ctrl toggles between suggested placement locations. I'll click to place the block. The Trace workspace has new settings available in the drop-down menu on the Trace toolbar. Use the sliders to change the transparency. Use the new Copy from Trace command to copy objects from a trace into the drawing. AutoCAD LT now supports the Autolisp programming language. With Autolisp, you can automate repetitive tasks and workflows. You can write new programs, leverage your company's existing programs, or use programs found online. Before you can load or use Autolisp files, you need to add the path where the Autolisp and DCL files are located. Once AutoCAD LT knows where your Autolisp and DCL files are located, you can then load and use the programs defined in the Autolisp files. DCL files allow Autolisp programs to support the prompting of input using a dialog box, in addition to a command prompt. See the product help for a complete list of new commands and system variables related to the new features.